Good evening and thank you for joining us. I'm Eliza Petrie. The government shutdown creeps toward day 8 and lawmakers are still at a standstill. The major sticking point, expanding the Affordable Care Act tax credits. Democrat lawmakers say Republicans are still opposing. Republican lawmakers say there is no debate happening, that Democrats must vote for a clean continuing resolution and wait for another day on the subsidies. If the tax credits are allowed to end, Illinoisans may have to pay more for health coverage. Fox Illinois' Monique Davis spoke with health policy experts to see how Illinoisans will be affected if that happens.
That's right. Health policy research experts say farmers, small business owners, and middle-income families are just some of the demographics who rely on this tax credit. In 2024, nearly 466,000 Illinoisans enrolled in Illinois Marketplace Insurance, a 17% increase for 2025 enrollment numbers. If the tax credits expire, Lynn Cotter with KFF, a health policy research organization, says residents will pay double in tax credits.
That's an increase of 114% on average across the United States. So that's a pretty substantial increase. If you're expecting to pay, $600 a month to see then that your health care is going to instead cost several $1,000s a month.
If insurance costs rise, Cotter says this could cause people to drop their health care insurance. She says insurers have already started increasing their premiums by 18% for the next year. With the state insurance marketplace, Governor Pritzker says Illinoisans were saving more than $500 a month. Reporting in studio, I'm Monique Davis. Back to you.
Thank you, Monique. Cotter says it costs roughly $35 billion a year to keep this subsidy for each individual using this tax credit. Welcome back. Now in some economic news, the government shutdown creeps toward day 8 and lawmakers are still at a standstill. The major sticking point, expanding the Affordable Care Act tax credit. Democrat lawmakers say Republicans are still opposing. Republican lawmakers say there is no debate happening, that Democrats must vote for a clean continuing resolution and wait for another day on the subsidies. And as thousands of Illinoisans rely on affordable health care, we spoke to healthcare research experts to see how they could be affected. Fox Illinois' Monique Davis joins us now with what they had to say. Monique.
That's right. Health policy research experts say this cost increase could cause individuals on the more healthy side to drop their insurance.
If you are a healthy individual, you're much more likely to drop your health insurance coverage, leaving the sicker population, those who really need access to use their health insurance, with increased premiums.
If the Affordable Care Act tax credit expires at the end of the year, more than 500,000 Illinoisans can expect to pay double for their health insurance. Lynn Cotter with KFF, a health policy research organization, says some insurance companies have already started that process.
In addition to the expiration of the enhanced premium tax credits, insurers have already increased their health insurance premiums for next year, on average 18%.
For 2025 healthcare coverage alone, nearly 466,000 Illinoisans signed up for affordable state marketplace insurance. Governor Pritzker says $6.5 million in grant money was awarded to help eligible Illinoisans enroll in affordable health care. The grant served individuals ranging from working families, people with disabilities, to people experiencing homelessness. Cotter says farmers, small business owners, and middle-income families are just some of the demographics who rely on this tax credit. Reporting in studio, I'm Monique Davis. Back to you.
Thank you, Monique. With the state insurance marketplace, Governor Pritzker says Illinoisans were saving more than $500 a month. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and be sure to watch more videos from Fox Illinois.